I seen a quirky and playful restaurant named The Wordy Diner. Our protagonist, Alex, sits at a table, ready to order a meal from the humorous waiter, Max. Alex, excitedly. Hey there, Max! I'm ready to embark on this language-filled gastronomic adventure. What's your best dish with a side of linguistic hilarity? Max. Greetings, oh adventurous word warrior. Today's special is the punderful pulled pork, a dish so puntastic that even Shakespeare would applaud. Care to give it a try? Alex laughs. You had me at punderful pulled pork. Let's go for it. But I have a confession. I've been trying to impress my date with some fancy language skills. Can you throw in a few tongue twisters as I order? Max smirks. You're a brave soul, my friend. I'll spice up your order with some tongue-twisting challenges. Prepare to impress. What's your main course choice? Alex, I'll have the grammar-gasmic garlic bread to start. Perfect for a wordy warm-up. Max, excellent choice, whispers. Now try saying grammar-gasmic garlic bread 5 times fast. Alex laughs. Grammar-gasmic garlic bread, grammar-gasmic garlic bread, grammar-gasmic garlic bread, grammar-gasmic garlic bread, grammar-gasmic garlic bread. Woo! Max, bravo! You nailed it. Now, moving on to the main event, the punderful pulled pork. Can you give your order with a puntastic twist? Alex, in a theatrical tone. Behold, fair waiter, a plate of punderful pulled pork, for I crave not only deliciousness but wordplay aplenty. Doth this dish come with a side of groan-inducing jokes? Max laughs. Your performance deserves a standing ovation. Absolutely. The punderful pulled pork comes with a double serving of groan-worthy puns, guaranteed to make your date laugh or roll their eyes, in a loving way, of course. Alex, grinning. Perfect. And for dessert, let's have the tongue twister tiramisu, a delightful challenge for the palate and the tongue. Max, amused. The tongue twister tiramisu, a true test of linguistic finesse. Now, before I serve it up, can you recite 3 tongue twisters without stumbling? Alex laughs nervously. All right, here goes. She sells seashells by the seashore. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Max applauds. Bravo, you're a tongue-twisting maestro. Your date will be thoroughly entertained, I guarantee it. Alex, smiling. Thanks, Max. This dining experience has been a wordy wonderland. I can't wait to sigh.